Introducing BOAT Stone 620 Portable Wireless Speaker with 12 watts RMS Stereo Sound in grey. It comes in a size of 18.2 into 7.2 into 7.2 centimeters and weighs 520 grams. This speaker comes with 12 watts RMS stereo sound and supports TWS functionality for twice the impact. This cylindrical speaker is IPX4 rated, making it water and splash resistant. It offers up to 10 hours of playtime per single charge via Type-C interface at 60% volume level. It is Bluetooth enabled and aux, USB and FM compatible. It is also enabled with easy access controls and built-in microphone with active smart voice assistant. This speaker is available in various color options like blue, red and black. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.